Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick video of this diesel watch. So it has more than one battery. I think there's a battery in here. There's a battery for this one. There's a battery here, here, and here. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at it. Let's open it up. It's just wrapped up because it's a brand new watch. I just got it in. I want to make sure that I can at least open it up and see how many batteries it actually takes. Alright, so let's just open this up. I have this tool. I'm sure you can find this online. In some cases for big watches, I think this is about a 58 to 60 millimeter, but these I think only go up to 48, I believe. So it may, yeah, it actually will not open all the way here. So I'm going to use another one. It's a different one that I use. If you want to learn how to do it, I think you should get this one first, because it teaches you a lot more in terms of where to hold the pressure for the watch. So I got it here. Let's see if it opens up. Okay. There we go. So we got this. Let's see how many batteries it takes. Oh boy. I'm gonna remove the plastic casing. And pull this out. Alright, let's see. Okay. Wow. So this has one here, two here, 3 and 4 batteries. Wow, that's a lot of batteries. But I don't think this watch requires all batteries, because I think only this one doesn't work. This one's not working either. This one is not working either. And this one I think only takes one battery for this big one. Alright, so let's just change all of them. We're gonna do, I think these are all 364s, right? This is a Sony battery. Oh, out of focus. Hold on. Yep, there we go. This is SR621SW, which would be 364. And this one here is also, no, it might be a different one. I think this one is going to be so this one is a 377. This one is a 377 as well, and the same one over here too. Some numbers differ. Usually it's 376, 377. Could also be SR626W, SR626SW. They're the same numbers. Just this one's different. This is 364, which is SR621SW or SR1116W. Could be any of these numbers. Let's do this one first, and then we'll go one by one on these three. So I'm just gonna use something sharper. Just, you see this metal tab right here, just slide it right out and it will release the battery. Push it, comes right out. I'm gonna take a 365. I will use the Maxwell. You can find these anywhere. Take that out. It's very simple. Slide it in. Don't even push it. Leave it the way it is. And then when you have it sitting in the right position, push and slide. And it snaps in. Now for these, this will be the same way, but much easier. Do not for any reason touch these coils with any bare metal, because it will short the watch and it will not work again. So make sure whenever you do, slide this out and slide this out. I think these are the same batteries. Oh, you know what? This might be a 364. Yeah, this is actually okay. So these two were the same. So this is a 364. This is a 364. These two are 377, 377. Okay. So let's get to 377s, and we'll change those as well. That's one. And just another simple way of doing this is just slide it right on top. Do not push this in once you have it. Make sure it sits in position first. See? It's just sitting up top. And then push, just hold it down. Don't even push it. And with anything sharp, just slide this right here. Slide it in. Okay. Done. Oh, we snap back on. Okay, hold on. Let's do it one more time. I think I just pushed the bar further away. Okay, so all you have to do is release it back. You can use this little hole right here, just slide it right back on top. All right, good, done. And the other one now, throw this away. This guy, another 377 for the one here. Slide, leave it on top, and push this bar gently, and it snaps in. Now just this one I thought it was a 377 first. For this, same thing. You see this metal piece right here, that sticks out, is the one that holds it down. Just slide it out and the battery will release. 364. Let's get another 364. Just put that away. So 364. All right, look. Right in there. And then push. That's it. A slight push would just take it. We'll put it right in there. And we had these two 377s, these two 364s. Let's see if they're all working now. So this one needs to be set. Okay. On the bottom. It's about 350 right now. Good, done. Set this one as well. 350. I mean, you can set these to different time zones. You can have these two for a different time zone. This one for your current time zone, and this one as well for another time zone. So it says time 1 here, right? Then time 2 here. Zoom out. Okay, time 2, time 3, and time 4. So you can set these for different time zones if you need to. To put it back on, very simple. This is where the stem and the crown is. So you slide it right on top, just like that. The other way, sorry. So the other way. These 3, 1, 2, 3. You just might need to just push it a little bit. So now to put it back, I would just leave this right on top. Use my thumbs to just slide it more tighter. And once it's tight enough that I can do it with my thumbs, I would use this. be tight enough. And that's it. That's how you do this. Thank you.